We think it's time for a new period of periods. Every beginning can be difficult, and it may take you a few periods to get the hang of your menstrual cup. But follow our guide and you'll soon become a dedicated cup convert. Before using your OrganiCup for the first time, you should sterilize the cup in boiling water. Make sure you use enough water and that the cup doesn't burn on the bottom of the pan. After 3 to 5 minutes, the cup is sterilized and ready to be used. Step 1. Insertion. Use warm water and a mild perfume-free soap such as OrganiWash for sanitizing your hands and cup. Find a comfortable position. You can either squat down, put one foot on the toilet, sit on the toilet, or simply stand up. You will quickly find out what works best for you. There are various folding methods. Experiment and find your favorite. For a punch-down fold, push the rim down to the base and pinch the cup together so it doesn't pop open. The punch-down fold provides the smallest diameter, thereby making insertion easier. For a C fold, fold OrganiCup in half lengthwise. For a 7 fold, fold OrganiCup closed and bring one top corner down diagonally to the opposite bottom corner. It's important to completely relax when inserting OrganiCup. Insert the folded cup into your vagina. When the entire cup is inside, simply remove your fingers and let it pop open. Make sure the cup is unfolded by feeling around the base of the cup. It should be round or oval. If you feel any dents or folds on the base with your finger, it means that it is not unfolded. Gently hold the base of the cup, not the stem, and try to rotate it from side to side to ensure it is sealed. When in place, try to pull the stem a bit. If you feel some resistance, a vacuum has been created and the cup has been placed successfully. You may want to use water or water-based lubricant to make insertion easier. If using a lubricant, simply apply a tiny amount to the rim. When inserted correctly, OrganiCup is entirely leak-free. And no, it won't fall out. Due to the vacuum, the menstrual blood won't come into contact with air, meaning no odors, ultra-hygienic, and antibacterial. Step 2. Wear. About 1/4 of the fluids absorbed by a tampon are natural and necessary vaginal secretions. OrganiCup only collects, thus eliminating irritation and dryness while ensuring the natural pH balance is kept intact. OrganiCup can contain 3 to 5 times as much as a regular tampon, which means most people just need to empty OrganiCup morning and evening. That means no period interruptions during work, school, sports, dancing, swimming, sleep, or, whenever. Step 3. Removal. Use warm water and a mild perfume-free wash such as OrganiWash for sanitizing your hands under clean running water. Being relaxed is essential for the removal of your cup, so find a comfortable position. We suggest you try squatting down, sitting on the toilet, or putting one foot on the toilet. To remove the cup, pull the stem while using your stomach muscles to push OrganiCup downwards until you can reach the base. Gently squeeze the base to release the vacuum and slide the OrganiCup out, gently rocking it from side to side. Empty the cup into the toilet. Rinse the cup with water and mild soap. Remember the air holes. If you don't have access to clean water, simply use toilet paper and rinse when you're back home. Or use a sanitizing wipe. Most people never have to because of the 12-hour capacity, though. Once the cup is clean, you can reinsert it. If your period is ended, boil the cup for 3 to 5 minutes, or use a sanitizing wipe such as OrganiWipe, and store in the original OrganiCup cotton bag. Tips and facts. The cup sits below the cervix in the vaginal canal. If the cup sits too high, you might experience leakage. There's a big variance in the size and shape of the vagina. A recent study determined the average vaginal canal to be 6 centimeters deep, but it can span from 4 to 10 centimeters. All women have differently positioned cervixes, and it varies how high or low the menstrual cup is placed in the vagina. If you feel the stem and find it uncomfortable after a couple of tries, you can cut it shorter. Did you know that the average amount of bleeding during an entire period is just 2 to 4 tablespoons? But again, everyone is different and the amount of flow greatly varies from person to person. One study measured a range from just a single drop to half a liter. Until you get 100% hang of it, you may want to wear a pad or panty liner so you don't have to worry about accidental leakage. 350,000 plus women already made the switch to OrganiCup, and 9 out of 10 who try it continue to use it. If you're still experiencing any issues after trying the cup 1 to 2 periods or have any questions, please go to OrganiCup.com.